Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix public profile not showing on Snapchat. So first of all, when you notice your profile is not public, what you need to do is you'll go to your Play Store to update your Snapchat app. So once it's updated, you might just go on to open it up and you can click to your settings, your profile right here above your screen. Just click on profile, and as you can see, I have a public profile. So when you don't actually have a public profile, you just scroll down, and here that you see create a new countdown, this is where it's going to be showing create a new public profile. Because I have a public profile already, that's why I can see create a new countdown. So if you do that and it doesn't still show, what you need to do is you go to your settings right here and you scroll down, keep on scrolling till you see, as you can see here, see me in find friends. So you click on it, and as you can see, my own is turned on already. So sometimes it might just be as a result of this being turned off, that's why you don't have a public profile. So the next thing is, after you have done this, updated your app and still try to set it up and you can't find a public profile, what you need to do is, you can see that some Snapchat have a restriction for public profile. You see, you might not see a public profile on Snapchat because you are under 18, or you have violated community guideline, or your birthday is under 16. So you just have to wait till you're 16, or maybe you can try to update your birthday if you actually made a mistake. So this is how to actually fix public profile not showing on Snapchat. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.